everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some restaurant style salsa for your chips or your dinners, your eggs, whatever you want to put it on. It's really good. And we're slowly moving to that 50,000 mark on subscribers on that giveaway. Not quite sure when we're going to get there, but get yourself subscribed because we are going to do a giveaway at 50,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. This is going to be quick. We're going to add in our fire roasted tomatoes, our rotel tomatoes. We love this with chips. Love it. I'm going to put in just a small pinch of cumino. Just a little pinch. And just a very small pinch of sugar that balances out those acids in the tomatoes. Just a little pinch. Just a drizzle of salt. Salt's to your preference. And we're going to add in our onion, our garlic, our jalapeño, and I have a Serrano pepper here. Those have more heat, but if you don't like a lot of heat, you can take out the seeds on both. And if you don't like serranos or jalapenos, you could use either or. But we leave the seeds in. That all goes in there. Now this is definitely something you need to hang out in the fridge for a few hours to develop its flavor. You don't want to make it and then eat it because then your flavors are just kind of doing not much for you. So let it hang out for a while in the fridge. A couple of hours overnight, even better. And some lime juice, just a little bit. Okay, like I said, this is going to be quick. Now you're just going to pulse this to whatever consistency you're looking for. More chunky. You want it more thinned out. I like to pulse it and keep an eye on it. And that looks like it will do it. Let me get this out of the way and pour it in our molcajete. I like to serve it in that. That way it just looks more appealing, right? And I'll put some saran wrap over it or whatever container you're going to put it in and put this in the fridge for a few hours. And like I said, you could serve it with whatever you want. But let me get this poured into the molcajete. Okay, guys, there it is. I wanted to kind of lay out everything that was there. And like I said, eat it with what you want. This hung out in the fridge with some saran wrap, like I said, or whatever you're going to put it in. Cover it, refrigerate it. We had it in there for a few hours. We're going to eat it with some what are these? Right, those are even the restaurant-style corn chips. Go ahead, Curtis, give it a try. He'll eat the whole container, even though there's onions, but he knows it's blended, so he's okay with that. Show him that, Curtis. Yummy, yummy, yummy. How is it? Enough salt?
Oh my God, so good.
You're good.
I'm taking this whole
Yeah, sure you are. But there it is, guys. I wanted to make this with y'all. Short video, but I appreciate every one of y'all. Let's get subscribed and share so we can hit that 50,000 mark, guys, so I can get that giveaway because we're moving slowly here. So until Sunday, we will see you guys then, and stay blessed and make you up some salsa. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.